left leg holds them up. Look at the middle of the jump, Paulina. Left leg. That's a good canter. We're counting. 1, 2,